Yeah.
You think there's any other artists who are bigger than Skilly in a dancehall internationally? There's a current debate going on, like who are the biggest, like current dancehall artists?
Yeah.
Biggest internationally. I think none bigger than.
As in out of who.
Well, the discussion right now, that's a Masicka. Him.
A few moments later.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't even consider him a dancehall artist anymore.
Skilly, and a Skilly.
I don't really consider him a dancehall.
No, man, a dancehall artist, but Skilly.
No.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
You don't know things that you don't know. One Media Fox on the app. Don't. So people, say a bag of thing I go on. You see me? With the Skillibeng and Masicka thing and, you know, who international and who this and a bag of thing. But we're going to a video and make you hear what I go on. You see me? Yeah. So I guess that brother here, him work with Skillibeng. Him say him boss Skillibeng. You see it? So hear what I go on, people.
You think there's any other artists who are bigger than Skilly in a dancehall internationally? There's a current debate going on, like who are the biggest, like current dancehall artists?
Yeah.
Biggest internationally. I think none bigger than.
As in out of who.
Well, the discussion right now, that's a Masicka. Him.
Masicka or Skilly?
Yeah.
But rate Masicka, don't go wrong that. But we just know say Skilly are the man internationally. Okay, nobody can go wrong that. You get me? Masicka more consistent right now at Jamaica, more than any artist. But Skilly are the man for him. No debate about that.
I already asked that, so we'll say Masicka should think bigger than Skilly.
Alright, basically, you don't know, Skillibeng signed about 2019, Masicka 2022. You understand? So basically, Skilly well known based on, you know, the label and marketing. You don't know Crocodile Teeth, the Wap Wap, because I think around them time near them time they signing go on and them push it and a bag of things. You don't know how the label work. I think a RCA. So you know them I go put in the work for him, get him around some people, get him some big collaboration and everything. You see me? But since 2019, like if alright, people, if you take away the label and the collaboration, like where Skilly really do for himself, like fit himself, gain himself. That more since him sign. You understand? Because the numbers I got piggyback on the collaboration them get. You see me? Because Masicka, him have some good songs. Him have more a quality song than Skillibeng right now. You understand? You know, Skillibeng might more international based on marketing and, you know, the Wap Wap song. And because Mr. Skilly perform a lot of times, but the song them when him just bust like, you know, yeah, them type of song them. I not too hear him sing them like that. So I guess the more songs them like after the label, them are the most the songs we would have sing. You understand? Because I feel like Skilly should have gained more. You see me? Him should have gained more because it's like, to me, I feel like I choose Skilly just outside of Jamaica. And it's like, alright, him aligned with the Gaza thing. You know, so it's like nobody not gonna really pre him like that. You see me? Because right now, him not in the talk, him not in the conversation in the dancehall. You see me? But artists international, you know, it's just that Skilly sign and them a market him and you know them a go pull links and all of them like a thing there. You see me? But to be honest, Skilly a do him thing, but and I like him a get no bag of hits. You see me? The label just a put him on some collaboration and all of them like a thing there. You see it? But yeah, I not really nothing what really buzz about like that. But him a do him thing. He's a una and anything. You understand? You just know say alright when you look at him and somebody a collaborate. You see it? So Masicka would say, yo, he might get some song. You see me? In a dancehall space. The only thing I could have said, Mr. Skillibeng sign and me see things at work for him. Like marketing, him a get the international collaboration them. Yeah, it a give him the look there. But Masicka now signed 2022. Him active pan the ground. You see me, and you know people are playing song in the diaspora them and thing. You see me? But it's like I don't know, like he might drop some song, but it's like at the recent song them like he might drop one song and them say, yo, it's that, but it's like the song them not really have the longevity. You see me? I just that because the label kinda try with him. Yeah, the label are try with him right now. You see me? Because Masicka don't really know what him want. You see me? But right now, yeah, Skillibeng more international, you know, the more international look. But the songs them right now, would have put the songs them in a Masicka on right now. You see me? Especially say, yo, him a do him thing. But like international wise, I feel like when I know what go on, it's like Def Jam not really do much him, you know. Nah go on, I know. I guess him should have reach pan like that market there with Skilly thing. You see me? Cause him a put the more quality music than Skillibeng. You see me? At that, him a put the more quality music than Skillibeng. So I feel like, you know, him should have did it so, but all me I see charts are just be a Jamaica thing. You see me? So I guess Def Jam in a Jamaica. You see it? But you hear them I say?
That she doesn't. No, but she
International, that she doesn't.
No, man, she never said that, man.
No, she did say that.
For real, they said that?
No, sir.
Yeah, I set her up.
I say a lot of shit, but I don't say crazy shit. No, I mean, clear. I mean, especially in the new school.
Yeah.
I mean, Skillibeng definitely have that. You can't deny that he's a Billboard charting artist with Tyler and Gunna. Come on,
remember this?
Come on.
Right
now,
everybody around on Skilly. But since Skilly got DJ Callout party over there, and the big artist around on Skilly and I ask him for him number every minute. That depend on video. So me like, damn.
I think like even the circles they want to see him in
no, the different circles and yeah, man.
Yeah,
to be honest.
I saw it going up, bro. Like, come on, like come on, the man signed international label, so like, him a go get for know people, him a go their own people that the label are put in the work. You understand? But him just get some local collaboration and something with it. Cause like collaboration them kinda push Skilly in right now. Like me say Skilly drop a lot of albums, like 40 track. These albums, I don't think he even go up on the Billboard. You see me? So I don't really know people. Like me just say, yeah, it look good on the collaboration them way I do, but where him literally a do for himself. You understand? I know say right now, Masicka can go up on a stage and perform in front of people and you know sing some songs and yeah, that have a vibe, but I'm not sure with Skillibeng. You understand? I'm not sure about Skillibeng because the only thing we can say in common with the two of them, them not really a good performer. But would I give Masicka the more kind of performer thing over Skillibeng. You see me? Because I don't know, Skillibeng I just be a brrr and yo, gunshot on my special. That's all him really do. You see me? So would I give although the two of them not really good for the performance, but I'm gonna give Masicka for the performance. But Masicka will hold the crowd for a while more longer than how Skilly. Because I see how Skilly perform at places. You see me? Whereas Skilly not to perform at Jamaica like that. You understand? I seen performing at Amazura already and Jano. I don't know that, but I guess the songs them we have it good for the studio and release on the internet, but like if you perform them, bro, like trust me, dog, I tell you, it's rough. You see me? So would I say, yo, Masicka, yeah, but Skillibeng do him thing and them a market him internationally, get him some collaboration and thing, is it? Yeah.
I don't even consider him a dancehall artist anymore.
Skilly and a Skilly.
I don't really consider him a dancehall.
No, I'm a dancehall artist, but Skilly.
No, I don't really know.
Dancer, anything you want to call it. But the dancehall,
I think he's a Jamaican artist.
Yeah.
But him really lean more into, you can say, the trap rap element.
Well, him have
no, Ari says Skilly is not a dancehall artist anymore. Jaja. Rough, dog, rough. See why Skilly not too in a certain topic still. I guess the label, but I don't think that is a good thing to say. Him do dancehall song. I'm not gonna say Skillibeng no do dancehall no more. That's come on, man. I'm not gonna say that. yeah, him kind of mixing the rap, but he's still a dancehall artist same way. You see me? Not because he may be mixing the rap and things same way means say he's not a dancehall artist. But I understand Skilly, the way the man market Skilly is like, sometimes the man all a twang. We ain't there foreign. And we the man talk is like, yo, Jano. I think Skilly nah keep him roots. That's the problem. And it kinda mash up him team. Cause if Skillibeng forget dropped by the label a morning, trust me, boy, I don't know. Because all of them links there and them things they are kinda cut. You understand? Cause the labels I get some people for do. I just the collaboration I hold him up right now. The collaboration I remember get cause the last collaboration what me see. I think him and Reem are the African artist there now. The labels I get some collaboration fee man some things, you see me, but I don't know. I guess them just use him for just, you know, you see. But yeah, him get a big run with the Wap Wap song, but there's nothing more else. We need, you know, him need more thing for solidify himself. You see me? I just that. Him need a finish based on him need to create something like get some big song for yourself. Like yeah, Wap Wap and Crocodile Teeth, but you know there's more. You see me? So I just that. But I'm not gonna say Skilly and him not a dancehall artist no more.
Vibes about him where you know the rapper them look like them.
Yeah.
Mess with
Yeah.
them. Yeah. Facts.
Yeah, I really don't think
It
I
could
don't
be
consider
argued though, say
Skilly
him
dancehall.
always have that about him, you know.
True.
Could be
True.
argued him always have that about him.
True.
I know that the man start twang now and everything.
Yeah, that's not like he's just an artist from Jamaica, but
Well, assimilated to the culture, but
fully.
but
Yeah, man, that's something where I'm happy about, you know?
No, I mean,
he
he must
great for
us.
suit
Yeah, and
everything.
for able to see that from the
I
very
remember
beginning.
me boss him. So we kind of feel a different level, you know?
You know, I'm a laugh for. It's such a trope. I mean, I know everybody kind of make fun of it now with Cartel. Like everybody, you know, everybody have some stake to Cartel, busting him.
Yeah. But nobody can tell about Skilly.
Okay, so because you say
I'm a partner about Skilly.
you say
Nobody
it
else.
like 4 times in the
Yeah,
interview,
man,
pretty much.
I don't know debate about
Yo, Ari, corrupt, you know. You know why she bring up the Cartel thing that I just showed the brother say him boss Skilly. So it's like she a say, yo, everybody a say them boss Cartel, you know, so you can't just say that and then the next man forward out and but to be honest, I only want somebody who say I say them boss Skilly and not him, so I don't know like that. So if I him say I him do it, Skilly must can tell you. You see me? And at the end of the day, I'm in a Skilly video and all of them look at things there and I tell you the story, so I don't know. You see it? So but Ari corrupt still. You know she have a draft for some card and them look at things there.
Yeah, man, they say that.
him would have said the same.
So hold on. If you listen the other interview to Skilly though, before him go international, who him talk about? Claims I can't go to Bling, Shabas. Nobody else. Him say one press. Yeah, we go to Bling though. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, so you have anything else in the pipeline? So this song
You know,
with
say-
Skillibeng, is there other artists you're working with
Yeah,
to
play a
be featured
remix
on?
feat.
With
We're not gonna tell nobody.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Little baby. Quick research. Quick maths.
I don't want to say, she even did up on a video call with Little Baby and Skilly one at the time, was it? Somebody did for one at the time, but
Yeah, so may I tell you people, just the collaboration with the artist them and them look at thing there. Well, that's how it goes. Skilly have to just do what him can do, you see me? But I just hope when the time him can after the label or whatever, because you know the label thing not serve for too long. We see a lot of artists work with a lot of labels and after a time, you know, them have to try to do something by themselves. We see Shaggy and Sean Paul, them left them label. Them do them own a thing now. So I just hope so if the label have got ever say yo Skilly I eat this. I just hope him can, dead us again, like because you might collaborate with the bigger artists and but you want something for you want your own foundation. You understand? Just that. Yeah, people can know yes, alright, you collaborate with this, but we really, because at the end of the day, I feed them song or the label song or whatever, so where you really gain for yourself. You see me? Yeah, you might international and people know you and all of them thing there, but where you gain for yourself. You see me? I just saw the thing said. So, music and music, but at the end of the day, you have to make sure say your things left back for you. When everything split up and everything gone, things said
Not even know what go on there.
That's right.
Yeah, gonna.
Sound like one of them industry things. Say, yeah, man, me do it, and then when I time for it, I'm busy.
Foreign craft?
Yeah, foreign craft, different things. Foreign craft, foreign music craft. Yeah, them have them craft over there too. Yeah, man, we are gonna do it.
You have some people with no baby, you know? Because them they do song with baby do a song with for them artists.
Oh.
So them
Yo, people, as me say, them just a try, you know. When me say, Skillibeng kind of leave the dancehall core thing and gone over this, but it's like, I don't know, you know, especially them so young, like, you know, him just did it like, it's just a little place whole thing to me, you see me, because them are just find people for collaborate, and then, you know, the big artists, them, yeah, they might know, say, okay, a Skillibeng that come from Jamaica, yeah, but it's not like them, he must get that support there, or really gain the full effect of the fans, because look here now, I see Skilly do some collaboration, but when him drop him album, them like, you wonder what go on. You understand? Because if him him international, but when him drop these albums, like, you don't really do anything. That's the problem, you know. Yeah, you might internationally get the collaboration, but when you drop something with you, wait do for you. Where the project them where you drop the album them, wait do. You understand? That's the problem now. So that's why I say, yeah, where am I gonna have if the label for say a man and say, yo, Skilly, nice working with you, I eat that. Where am I gonna gain? What happened? You see me, because remember, we know the label them work, you know. You see me? We know them work already, so that's one of them things there. Same with Masicka too. I don't really know. Like, you get a few collaboration, a few albums, yeah, you get some good albums and thing. You see me, but like, what's next? You know? Because it's the same thing. If Def Jam say, yo, like, what go there the next? You see me? Yeah, it's just a bag of, you know, some hot songs and some look hyping up and thing, but let's see what go on in a few years. You see me, people, but I don't know anything set, you know. One Media Fox, you know. Respect for the support, you don't know anything set. That is it.